In this module, we will learn about the historical background of India and Brazil. First, let's start with the historical background of India. India was under the British rule for almost 1.5 century. This can come as a MCQ question. In 1947, India got its independence and we adopted democratic government which is run by a prime minister. Despite facing several problems like 3 wars, 2 with Pakistan and 1 with China, and also we had famine situations. Famine situation is a situation where we have droughts or food shortage. India is still considered as a major developing country of the world and we are a global market too. Because of various economic reforms, from time to time, India's economic development has paced up. The proportion of youth in India's population is high. This can come as a give reason. The answer to this will be given to you at the end of the module. Now let's see the historical background of Brazil. For more than 3 centuries, Brazil was under the rule of Portuguese. In 1822, Brazil got its independence. Unlike us, from 1930 to 1985, for more than a half century, it was under a populist military government. This can come as a MCQ question. It has overcome global financial difficulties in the late 20th century. Brazil is seen as a contributor to economic growth of the world and an important market in the future. अगर आपको मेरा कंटेंट और एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो डू फॉलो मी एंड आस्क योर डाउट्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट मॉड्यूल. थैंक यू.